Absolutely.
Yes, yes. So thank you for rolling with us. And Jean, I know you're at work, Jean, but do you have any questions this week?
She said she used the moringa oil on her hands.
Just because they are starting to show my age, my hands are not a wrinkled. Yay, yes,
Not
yes.
as wrinkled.
The merengue oil, my God, the merengue oil.
It's awesome.
Talk about the merengue oil.
Yeah, man.
Fountain of youth, baby.
For sure.
So,
Right?
yeah, man.
Collagen without the plastic surgery.
Collagen without the plastic surgery,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Basically.
Moisture
This
locking,
love
skin
it.
soothing, all of that good stuff, put in there. The moringa tree is a very special tree. Um, it's been used for thousands of years, but it's like recently it got exposed here into the Western world. But it has like 99.9% of all minerals and vitamins that the human body need, including all the essential amino acids. Um, Out of the 22 eight out of the 18 amino acids that our body produce, there's 9 that our body does not produce, but moringa has those 9. So, and along with a lot of other minerals and vitamins, that our body also need. The oil from the seed helps to lock the moisture in our skin. It's loaded with vitamin C, and vitamin C helps to promote collagen, to boost collagen. It also helps with like acne, and is that acne? Yes, acne and like blackheads and stuff like that too. For dry brickly nails, you can use it on your nails, and it will, make them more flexible and stronger so they don't break so easily. You can also use moringa oil as a natural sunscreen. It's just one of those
What about on
amazing.
the nails?
Yeah, and that's what I just said it on the nails
Oh,
for so you don't break and stuff like that. If you're experiencing problem with having dry brickly nails and stuff like that.
or you just took your nails off because
Right.
of the pandemic. I had gel on and my nails were about to just fall apart.
Wow.
Wow,
Yeah.
Trina.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Better since
Yep.
I'm putting almond oil on every day.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It
But
works. And but I've been
Little
using
every.
the
you
meringue.
it's the moringa.
Mm-hmm.
It's the moringa for the nails because it have those nutrients that it helps to grow the
Okay.
nails and make it stronger.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The difference with the almond oil and the moringa oil have a lot more minerals and vitamins than the almond oil.
Mm-hmm.
Way, way,
Okay.
way more.
On the nails.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. But it's like the highest thing in the moringa seed oil is vitamin C, and that's boosts our skin collagen. Because we naturally produce collagen, you know, throughout the years, but the wiser we get, I like to say, is the less collagen our skin produce because of lack of certain minerals like
The
vitamin.
wiser we get, the
You get it. So,
older we get,
well,
produce less collagen. It
yeah,
makes
it
sense.
is wiser anyway because the older we get is the more experience we get, and the more
Right.
experience we get that teaches us more wisdom. So,
I just
it
wanted to make
it
sure
is
we were on the same page. I was
yeah.
making sure you were
Yes,
saying
yes,
what I thought you were
yes,
saying.
yes, absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, man. So it does, because of we're not producing those minerals, then our skin starting to age. Moringa helps with fighting that and locking in the moisture in our skin and all those good stuff that our skin needs so that we can have great results. Yeah, man.
Mhm. It's like
Welcome,
taking.
welcome.
Aisha,
Yeah, man. Yes,
Margaret.
Aisha. Yeah, man.
Hey,
Good to see you.
it's so good to see you.
Thank
Good to
you
see
for
you too.
chiming in.
Thank you for chiming in.
Definitely. Good to
Yeah,
see
man.
Yeah,
you.
I'm ready. Actually, let me get my computer because I'm gonna place the order now.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
And
okay.
I'll introduce you while you're doing that.
Yeah.
That is Aisha, and she's actually the campaign manager for Alan Ellison for Congress. And she's just amazing, amazing. Wait, what's going on here? Just amazing lady, super organized, super together, and part of making a change for our community, for our state, and for our country. So
Yeah,
man,
man.
thank you for even having the time to come in. I know you're busy. We got 46 more days until the election, and thank you for coming in with us.
Yeah,
Thank you. We
man.
appreciate it. Do you have any questions about our products or about how it's made or anything?
I would love to hear about how it's made. One, I read up a little because I believe in what nature can do for us, and then it's the energy that you all have, which is what drew me to your products because I know it's like when you cook, right? When you're putting like good energy into something, you know it's gonna be good. So I was like, okay, I gotta get on, and I wanted to make sure that if I'm buying stuff for my body, that I know it's good for me. I know where it's coming from. You know, that's important to me. And I believe you are what you eat. So you eat well, you put good things on your body. So I'm just happy I had the time. And two, I not even have I made the time, right? Because it's also self-care. So it's about me taking care of myself. So yes, and it's your energy. So good energy for me that you're putting out to the community, the world, your vibration. So that's why I'm here.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Thank
Thank you.
you. That
Thank you
means a
for
lot
that.
to us.
Yeah,
Thank you
man. And
so much.
absolutely. And you explain, and that's basically what we stand for. Whatever you eat, you're supposed to be able to can use it on your body. There is our products is totally natural. All right, let me just rewind and catch it from the top. So our almonds are grown in Jamaica, mostly on the coastline, but they do grow inland also. Because the species of almonds are grown in Jamaica and tropical countries like Jamaica, close to the ocean, they have minerals that they get from the ocean that is different from the regular almond here. So we started back in 2012. So back then it would be me and Jessica and the crew, and we go and we gather the almonds on the beach, and then we take them home, and then we dry them, and it takes like 14 to 21 days to dry them out from the fruit that's on the outside to the dry husk, and then you crack them, and then they are drying for another 8 hours a day for 5 days, and then they're pressed into oil, and then the oil is filtered, bottled, and capped. So that's basically the process of making the oil. So there's nothing added, nothing taken. The almonds are wild harvested, wild grown, so they're grown with no herbicide, no pesticide, none of that stuff, no pasteurization, nothing. So the almonds are very high in magnesium and zinc, 60% to be exact. They also have vitamin B contents. They have vitamin K. They also have vitamin E. So the oil is used for basically skin, hair. You can use it everywhere on the body. Oh, I have some right here. So you can use it everywhere on the body. You can use it in your hair. I mean, you can drink it like, and we normally
Awesome.
recommend. Oh, sorry. We
To the
normally
bottom.
recommend to customers who like have eczema to take a shot whenever they're put it on, because it's wonderful for eczema. And a lot of time people will see us drink it and they're like, oh, how you do that? But the difference is, if you smell, it doesn't have any smell. So it's not gonna give you that kind of oily smell where it's like, oh, I can't drink it because it's oil. It doesn't have no smell whatsoever. Even when you put it on your skin and you go,
It has a
you don't, maybe like a nutty
nutty,
smell, but that's
light.
like a faint nutty smell. But that's it. It doesn't smell like oil. Like you know the smell when you smell oil, it
Doesn't
doesn't.
smell harsh like
Yeah,
chemical.
no. So it's
And
it's
and I believe by consuming it, it keeps me moist on the inside, which radiates to my skin on the outside. You
absolutely.
know.
Absolutely, because whatever we put in, it comes out through our pores, right? And whatever we put on our skin, it goes in through our pores. So, and as I mentioned, pores, this is another thing why it won't make you greasy. And the reason why is because the molecules that make up the almonds, they're smaller than the molecules that make up our hair, nails, and skin.
Okay.
Yes, so it's like the larger molecules absorb the smaller ones. And in this case, the smaller one is the ones in the oil. So
That's really no.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
No, I was saying that's really good to know. This is a whole science lesson.
Oh, yeah. I've been doing a lot of research.
The
So
professor is in.
yes, it won't clog your pores or
Uh,
anything like that. So you don't have to, and it won't make you greasy. So it doesn't matter really how much you use when you use. It's like for me, I like to just put it on.
dry-
Yeah, just
dry-
drench myself, put it on.
Like Trina.
And then, yeah, yeah. Got it, tree. And then
I can't afford that.
I
I
know,
can't.
I know, yeah, I know. And what happens is after a few minutes, it all just drinks up into my skin, and then I'm left with this wonderful glow, like there's this light radiate from inside of me, So that's one of the things that I love about it, and I use it. I do make beard oil, but I use it on my beard too. Not every day I use
you
beard
do
oil.
this
Sometimes I
all.
use almond oil too, and on my face, and yeah, it's pretty awesome.
So, okay. So when I went to your information before, it was through Facebook.
Yes.
What's the website? So I don't have to go through Facebook.
It's I'll put it in the chat.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go right now.
Aisha, you've taught me how to be a
Zoom.
a Zoom wizard.
Uh,
So thank you.
No doubt.
And Jean Fall is back. She was on the call earlier, but she is back now.
Okay,
Jean,
Gene,
this is
thanks for coming
Aisha.
back.
yeah,
See,
man.
Nigel Jamaican almond.com.
Yeah.
Okay, there it is.
Not just Jamaican Almond World.
Oh, oh wait. Thank you, Trina. It's wrong. Wait.
Yes,
Nigel
not. Okay.
Jamaican almond world.
Oh, was it wrong?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't notice. Don't thank me.
There we go.
Got it.
That's the second one. Okay.
Looks
Okay.
good. Looks great.
Okay, and we offer afterpay, so which is really wonderful. We partner with Afterpay after our business coach power partner friend Tammy had showed it to us, and it's a way for you to get what you want now and shop now and pay later, interest free. So we do have that available, and
Interest free?
yeah, interest free.
I'm sorry, I didn't know that. Wow.
It's
About
interest
to go
free. She said it's about to go down.
down. Lupa. Huh?
So, Aisha, make sure that you choose local delivery
Yeah.
because that way you don't pay for shipping, and we actually are set up that will
Yeah. But we do
actually
local
deliver.
delivery also.
Yeah, so whenever
Yeah.
you choose shipping, but I know that sometimes if the order doesn't equal out, they'll make you ship it. But if that ends up being the case, go ahead and choose that, and then we'll refund you the shipping right away.
Yeah.
And here's a coupon code for you to use. It's IRIE, IRIE 15.
Okay.
IRIE 15, and that's good for anyone that wants to shop, especially our first time shoppers. What's the code again?
IRIE.
15.
Irie
Okay.
15.
IRIE 15. Oops. 15. And we do have, whoops,
14.
15. We do have free shipping. over $75 for anyone that's anywhere else. And for anyone in Canada, it's free shipping over $100. So we just got a big order from Canada this morning.
Yeah.
Carla, thank you.
Yeah, man.
Carla's about to be super moisturized, baby. She got her a big bottle of Nigel Jamaican almond oil. She got her a jumbo bottle. So she's not messing around. I guess she's getting ready for winter.
Yeah.
For right now. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And she got some moringa oil too.
And she got moringa oil too.
Yeah,
So
man.
so we have the afterpay available. We have the free shipping. So, and we're here making the products. Let's show them some more products, babe. So earlier you saw the lip balm.
Lip balm,
I
yeah.
want to put a little on because I'm a little
Okay.
dry. What you got there, Trina? Talk about it. What is that?
This here is the mango body butter,
Oh.
mango shea body butter.
Okay.
What you like about it, Trina?
It's almost halfway gone. So I think I need to order some more.
Okay. Okay.
I like the whip texture of it. The texture of it is grand.
Wow.
And it just, the whip feeling, it just goes on my skin and it actually calms my skin and soothes it. And just, it's not sticky. It's not greasy. What don't I love about it?
Wow.
I mean, I've been trying to see if it's just me being crazy. I'll use Nivea every now and then, or Jergens, but I still keep getting the same sticky feeling, like something's actually attached to my body that I don't want. But these almond products, almond oil products, and body butters, they don't do that. They actually just go. I don't know. Well, you already explained why it goes in so well. But there's no stickiness, no after dryness. There's just moisture, and it lasts a long time. It lasts all day, and I get very dry on my trunks and on my legs, my lower extremities. And the reason why, it could be dehydration, but I do drink a lot of water. But the reason why is because we not only have, well, our lower extremities, that's where the blood gets to the last, because your brain is up here. So it takes a while for your blood to go down to the legs. That's why as you age or get wiser, your legs swell at the bottom. They not only have water at the bottom, they also have blood down there, blood and water. So it causes a lot of dryness. And especially as we females get older, we lose our estrogen. So we have less estrogen in our bodies. A lot of women take estrogen, but that's another reason why there's a lot of dryness, especially, if you have age on you and you're wiser,
Yes.
the less hormone you produce. And estrogen is a hormone.
Wow. Wow. And with the pandemic and everybody, you're washing your hands so often, and then some of the water is so heavy. I guess, it helps to, put it on there to put back some moisture back in your skin too.
Yeah, I just gave a review to that effect. I don't know if you saw the review I made on your website, but I did talk about how I was constantly washing my hands, and the pandemic is definitely affecting the dry. You did see
I've
it?
seen that one.
Okay.
I responded, I think, already. Today is my response days for the review. So if I didn't, I will be doing it today. It's on my
No. Busy.
Thank you for that review. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
I liked how the computer prompted me to write a review. So that was good. I didn't have to think about it. Sometimes to write a review for a company, you have to look for where to write it. It'll be all up in the top corner in small font. You can't see it. Write a review. And you make it so simple. It popped up at me. Do you want to write a review? And I said, okay, sure, I do.
Wow. Thank you for that, Trina.
Thank you. I prompted the computer to prompt you.
Correct. So thank you for that.
Thank you. Thank you for responding, sister.
It's a cycle.
Yep.
Right.
Positive cycle.
Right. Absolutely.
So yeah, this is some good stuff. And
Thank
it's
you.
very inexpensive too. That's another thing I like about your products. They're very economical. This will last me if I take my time with it.
Well, we got I think it was a 4-star review,
It's
or
so good
3-star
too.
review.
Which one?
We got a 3-star review from a lady. She said that the products were good, but that this was
Too
too
small.
small and basically a waste of money.
Too small, meaning you really like it so much you're using it all up. So then how could it be a three then? Okay. Miss, go. You can buy a bigger size. You have a bigger size, don't you?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
we
what I
do.
told her. We have a bigger size. So, and it kind of prompted us to think maybe we
Need to
should
do some
make
bigger
bigger
ones.
ones than that. Because we have the 1 ounce and then
The 4
we have
ounce.
the 4 ounce.
That's
We have
lavender.
the 4 ounce.
Yeah.
So, you know, and and we're thinking, maybe we should make one that's bigger. Here's mine, Trina. You see what mommy's look like. You know hers
Yep.
is
You
huge.
said you sent her a huge one. Wow.
This is
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that could last me a year, or it could last me 3 months, depending on the weather.
okay.
It's nothing, weather,
This is
right?
this is my
Absolutely.
personal Aisha. So maybe for the holidays, maybe we'll do something like this. The thing is that it's very expensive to ship these heavy glass. So it's expensive for for us to receive them. For us to buy them and then for them to be shipped. We have a bottle place, but they don't sell
Yeah.
these. So we're working on it. But for now, we're going to have these. And Beth Brady encouraged us to do the lemongrass. And as you guys may or may not already know, we have a private label account that uses the lavender body butter. I mean, not lavender, but lemongrass that we made special for them. So as soon as we're able to get our labels done, I think we're going to do them shortly. We'll have lemongrass body butter.
Ooh. Oh, that's wonderful.
Customer
Yeah.
That
inspired.
is
I
so
mean, you
wonderful.
guys inspire us to make, to make all these different things.
But to
So
you learn how to do, you didn't learn this overnight though. It took you a couple of tries to get the texture and the consistency right.
right.
Is
Oh
that
yeah.
right?
Yeah,
I mean,
remember all the
into
samples that I had sent
Yes.
you
love.
guys? Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, it took a while. It's like a full-on recipe. I mean, if somebody came up to me and
Correct.
said, what are your measurements? I wouldn't know because I have my recipe written down and I follow it to a T every time because I went through about 4 recipes for the body butter. Some of it was too heavy. A lot of it was melting by the time you got it, so it wasn't stabilized, and
Some of it was too oily.
some of it was too oily. It was just like, ah. And then I had color in it, so the color was off.
No.
And so, if you remember when I first started making it, mommy's even is orange, right? Mommy's body
Right.
butter is orange. So I
Mhm.
stopped putting the color in it because I noticed the color was throwing it off. And when I was
Yep.
putting it on, the color was coming off on my skin. I was like, oh no.
And then if you're wearing white,
Hold up now.
come off on your white clothes. I'm like, no,
Right, right, right.
I don't
So,
make sense.
so we took out the color on the almond oil and the okay, Aisha, I see you. Yes, I see your order just came in. Yay.
This is the lime shade. Oh,
The lime shade. Oh my God. I
wow.
You're loaded.
Amazing.
love it, Trina.
Wow. You're loaded.
So
Okay.
so you like the lime better or the mango better?
Woo, I don't know. I think the lime.
Okay.
Oh my God, that smell, the lime. I feel like I'm on vacation, baby.
Wow.
The lime was inspired from Jamaica
Amazing.
because
Amazing.
they don't have lemon trees there. They have lemon grass that grows there. So
We call it
that's
fever grass.
right. So that's where we got all the lemongrass. Yeah, that's where we got all the lemongrass stuff. So lime, whenever I went to our supplier and I saw they had lime, I was like, let me smell this. And it's an essential oil. It's not a fragrance. It's it's
Oh, it's
it's a
essential.
bona fide. Yeah, it's a oil. The mango is a fragrance. It's still essential oil, but it's fragrance. But the lime is not. The lime is lime. So the lime was inspired by Jamaica because I was like, I need to smell that smell
The
again.
lime and the coconut.
The
Yeah.
lime and the coconut. Oh, you got coconut. Oh, you gonna flex on Trina? Trina, you
I
got
know, right?
coconut?
Let me rub to see if I have coconut. Hold on.
There it is. Okay, so that's the body butter, the lime.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
There,
I got coconut.
The lime body butter, 1 ounce.
Lime body butter. Uh-huh. And all the ingredients are vegan. So that took me a while too. I was
you have
able to
source all of that.
yeah, I had to source the emulsifying wax and the steric acid flakes. I think that's what they're called. But I sourced those to be all plant based. Whenever we first started this business, we weren't vegan, but we learned about the vegan lifestyle and looked up, and our products were already vegan. And so whenever we first started making
That's a purpose. Like, why not just continue down the same road?
Right.
You're already,
So whenever we started with the new products, those were developed in 2019, the sugar scrub, body butter, things like that. I wanted those ingredients to maintain the same values as the other products. So I had to intentionally look for plant-based emulsifying wax. Plant-based beeswax instead of beeswax, using sunflower wax. So it may not mean anything to other people, and they would use it whether it was or not, but for us, we wanted to do something that we were using on our own bodies.
Yeah.
Cohesive line where all your product is all the same.
Right, and maintaining, our own skin and our okay.
And caring for the planet.
I don't
want to
put animal stuff
the
on.
environment,
Yeah.
And,
All that.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's exciting and it's wonderful and it's a journey.
It is exciting.
Yeah.
And it's wonderful.
Put some-
Wow.
You gonna put some on me?
I
I see you perked up. You went in another position. You're like,
Wow, I know he all shifted.
yeah, did you
do
see
a
that?
demo. Right, let's see a demo.
I was just gonna put a little on myself, but he was like, oh no.
Right.
And he's not just doing it for the camera. He rubs me all the time with it.
I know it. And these are mostly your stuff. It seems like there's a
Wait, let me turn on.
a thread of something with all your products. They seem like inventions out of necessity. A lot of them.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. They're
Incredible.
Yeah.
Can I say hi to the camera real quick? This is my wonderful daughter Bianca. She's going to go to work. She works at the Habit in Riverside.
Hey, Beta.
She loves the almond oil. Wow, demo.
Yeah.
He's enjoying that. Look at her. Her body's just moving like waves over his right. He's got you under his control. Amazing. Wow. You gonna pay him for that?
Oh my God.
Girl. So it's really smooth and goes on. It smells so good.
Oh, I guess
Here, let me turn around.
Tony, come take lessons.
So I got the lime butter too. I just added that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, coming to you.
Yeah,
soon.
you're gonna like it.
Absolutely.
It smells so good.
It does.
Because I like lime and I love lime and lemongrass. I love the way they smell with lavender too. Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's fever grass smell, Take it right back to Jamaica, making a cup of tea. Smell it in the yard.
Aisha came on after you were talking to Jonathan about the soap. Do you want to go back to Jonathan and the idea of the soaps?
What'd you do with the
And
soap?
show her the soap.
Sure, yeah.
I know we're running out of time, but
A soap too.
Okay. If you guys want to stay on for another 15 minutes or 20 minutes, it's 9:55 right now. But we're having so much fun. Let's stay on for a little while longer. Isn't that beautiful?
I heard about the soap. I was on Facebook.
Okay.
Oh, okay then. Cool. Yeah, man.
Just beautiful.
Yes, they are. I absolutely really like them.
Okay, so
It's our first official one that we wait that actually like, yeah. So I'm like, all right, I'm pretty happy about that.
customer inspired.
Yes.
Customer inspired.
Absolutely.
We love y'all.
Yes.
So we're getting ready to do the raffle.
We're getting ready to do the raffle.
Okay.
Got Aisha's name.
All right.
So if you're on Facebook, you got to be on the Zoom to be in the drawing. You have to be on the Zoom. So we had Libby was on earlier, and she had to go, but she did pop on. She was the first one on. So here's your ticket, Libby. We got Jonathan. He's all about that soap and the lip balm. So we got Jonathan. Jean, she's our faithful, always online with us every single week. So we got you, Jean.
Absolutely.
And then we got Aisha, new but not so new.
Yeah.
From the new path forward. So, and then we have Trina always. That's my sister Trina. For all of you who don't know, she's our silent, not so silent partner. And so we're gonna show you what you're gonna win. And if you want to be on next week, definitely visit N&J Live after this is off, and you can register for next week's giveaway. And we're going to talk about this week. So what we have here is the mango. What is this?
Sugar mango. No, that's the.
No, what's the name of this box?
Oh, mango moisture box.
The mango moisture box. So you're going to be moisturized. So you got a ½ ounce of Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. You know you can use that everywhere. You can even use this as an intimate moisturizer. Okay. Okay. Yes, sissy. Okay. Then you got the mango body butter. You know, we were just using this just now. So all plant-based, remember. Then you got the sugar scrub, baby. The sugar scrub is no joke. So scrub is right here. You can polish your whole body. Up until last night, Nigel thought this was only for your hands.
Yeah, because I only use it on my hands. That's why I thought it was only for your hands.
So no, baby, it's for your whole body. So we got the
scrub. Yeah, it's an exfoliator. Exfoliate your body.
He's new.
Come on, Nigel.
No, because I came up with a whole idea for a new product and everything in the garage, and then I came and I was like, okay, so the sugar scrub is for the hand, the foot scrub is for the foot, so I have this one for the body. She was like, no, this is for the sugar scrub is for the body. So I was like, oh really? Oh, I never know.
Yeah.
Probably should have asked you before I thought of all of that.
It's okay, honey. It's okay. Keep it going, honey.
Yeah.
We got the lip balm. Yes, the vegan lip balm. The teenagers love this. I made this for Nigel, and we never even sold it for over a year because every single time I made it, right, Trina? All the kids, the grandkids, your kids, everybody was using it. So, but now we have it for y'all. So the lip butter's in there, and then one of our beloved bath bombs, our handmade mango bath bombs is in there. So you're going to get everything in there. It's a great gift to yourself or a gift to somebody else. And we want you to know we appreciate that you choose us, that you don't go to Bed and Bath and Body and Booty and all of that.
Yeah.
Sorry. That you don't go to any of the others, you know, that you're not going to Walmart or whatever, you know, and that you're choosing to do business with us. We so appreciate it and so value it. This is our all-time full-time appreciate love. This is our all-time full-time job. You see us during the week, we're in the workshop, and you know, on our Friday or Saturdays we're in here, but this is our whole life. So know that whenever you're getting your products, whenever your friends and family are getting these products, they're made with love, made with integrity, made with, you know, the utmost of care. And we cherish you, and we cherish your business, and we thank you. So without further ado, let's roll 'em.
Okay.
Okay, where's the bowl? Where is the bowl?
The bowl is loaded with almonds.
The bowl's loaded with almonds.
Okay, I'm gonna get something.
Okay, get something.
Yeah.
Wait, there's a bowl right there.
Oh, there we go.
We're not always prepared every time. Sorry. Here's an almond, Jamaican almond.
These are meringue. One is loaded with almonds, one is loaded with meringue seeds.
Wait, before you do that, I just want to say I love your decor in the back, especially how your lamps match the wall. Your purple walls, your lamp I see has a trim of lavender or purple off that white lamp. I think that lampshade.
It's gray.
It's gray. It's
just
the
lighting.
lighting.
Yeah.
Amazing. Just
Thank you, sissy. I can't wait for you to come visit.
I can't wait to come over there again.
Okay, here we
I'll
go.
stay longer than 10 days.
This is a bohemian. What?
I said this time it won't be for 10 days. I'll be there for a year.
Oh my God.
He said or 2.
Okay, we're gonna have to get you another house. Okay.
We'll get you the house across the street.
Right? Okay, drum roll, please.
Okay, so there's a Bohemian Bowl from our friends at Bohemian Bowls. They're so awesome.
California.
We use these for everything.
Yeah.
Okay. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake down.
Nigel picked last time, so Jessica, you picked this time.
Okay.
Hey, Nigel, that's enough.
You gotta
Nigel,
close your eyes though.
I have to close my eyes.
Close your
Okay.
eyes and reach for it. Here we go. No, here we go. There you
So dramatic.
Okay.
Okay. Jonathan!
Jonathan!
Oh, wow. Okay, Jonathan. Go ahead. Yay. Yes, sir.
Yes, Jonathan!
Yeah, right.
Jonathan!
Jonathan!
That mango moisture box.
Okay.
I just placed the order of stuff anyway, so that's going to be awesome.
Okay. Yes, thank you. So
I have about the Bohemian Bowls.
Okay.
Come in a larger size? Like, do you use them for dining?
Yeah.
You could put would you put like salads in those or like porridge?
Oh yeah.
You could.
Yeah. It's like a bash, like what we use in Jamaica, the calabash.
Yes. Okay.
Like calabash, but it's made from coconut shells.
Because okay, that's it was looking like it, but from here I can't really see as well.
So this would be the same size of a dinner that you would eat your dinner out of, as a calabash that you would eat your dinner.
Okay. Perfect. Okay.
Yeah. This is the size that you would like drink water out of.
Okay.
Yeah, but as you can see, it's the coconut.
go to bohemianbowls.com, and those are our friends from California.
Yeah, man.
And they have straws, they have forks, knives, they have, oh my God, there's so much stuff. That's amazing.
Yeah,
okay, so back to Jonathan. Jonathan, we're going to send you an email. Please put your email in the chat privately to me. I think you might have already done it. I'm going to look and see if you haven't. Oh, yes, you did. Okay.
All right,
so what's going to happen is, Jonathan, you are going to get an email with a way to claim your prize. And I'm just writing this down. And congratulations. You got our prize winner. Okay, just want to make sure I got that down. Okay, so yes, Jonathan is our winner this week. Congratulations. You're going to be getting an email on how to claim your prize. It's easy, and it'll be sent to you, and we'll package it up definitely with your other order. And you never know what else we might put in there. Okay. So be ready.
Put a little surprise in there. All right.
More surprises.
Yeah, right.
So we want to thank everybody for being with us this week on Facebook, on Zoom. We had unexpected guests. We had no idea that, we're used to seeing Jean and Trina. And you guys, Aisha and Jonathan, thank you for being new and rolling with us.
Yeah, man.
We're going to have this every single week until it's just me and Nigel showing up. And so it'll be us and you. And if you want a chance to win, go ahead and register for next week.
Yes.
You have to be on the Zoom to win. But we will be broadcasting on Facebook so that everybody can have a chance to get see what the questions are,
yes,
and see what's going on. So until next week.